Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a beautiful 1929 Ford Roadster pickup. A lot of time, money, and sweat invested in this truck. Got the owner here of Al of what? How old are you now, Al? 95, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. So how long did it take to build this one?
Oh, probably 15 years.
15 years.
Or more.
Sure.
Did you see the rear end and all?
Yeah, Jaguar rear with the inboard brakes, right?
Yeah. Did he show you the tapes, the pictures he has of it?
Oh, the restoration photos?
Yeah.
We haven't gotten to them yet, but we'll add them to the presentation.
Yeah.
So what kind of motor we got in here, Al?
Now it's a Chevy 350.
LT1?
And I don't know, I can't remember too much.
You did pretty good.
At 94, I'm having a little problem, you know?
I hear you. So it's an all steel body,
Yeah.
all the way around. Steel fenders, boards, body, and bed. It's a removable hardtop, so that comes off. A lot of chrome, billet, stainless.
Yeah.
The running boards were what, stretched about 6 inches?
Pardon?
The running boards were stretched about 6 inches on it. The truck was stretched about 6 inches.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool, as you can see that. Stretched about 6 inches, and also in this quarter piece here to allow a tall gentleman to get in it.
Yeah, better than I got.
Okay. The splash aprons, roll pan, and everything are completely custom on this truck.
Yeah.
Beautiful interior with the buckets and seat belts. Got classic instruments gauges. Corvette column and tilt wheel. A lot of wood. This is a custom made trunk. It also has the side skirts for the windows.
You know, I got caught in the bathroom all the time. Yeah.
Can you pop the hood? Let's check out under the hood. So we got a 72 LT1 motor, turbo 350 trans, shortened chrome headers, finned valve covers are also painted to match the theme. Electronic ignition, Holley carburetor. Looks like a 650, right?
650.
Yep. Power steering, power brakes.
Power steering.
It's all underneath, huh?
Mhm.
The booster's underneath the truck.
Air conditioning.
Oh, and air too. Just underneath?
Yeah.
Wow. Got a serpentine system in here as well. Got four-wheel disc brakes all the way around. Doesn't have air conditioning.
No, I don't think so. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Not my car.
We're doing the best we can.
Yeah.
It's got a Walker 4-row radiator up front too. Sounds like a roller motor, right? Dream catcher. Got about 16,000 miles or so on the build. It's a cloth bucket with a silver leather. Probably from a Corvette. Does it have air conditioning, Al?
I think it does.
It does, right?
No?
No?
I don't think so. Have to check.
Okay.
I don't see it.
Yeah, I don't see it either. Nice looking truck. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.